This, my 2001 Mercury Cougar. I'm sponsored by carsponsors.com, sponsoramerica.com, decalkits.com, bodykits.com, and about 30 others. And I just got my new part in. I'll be showing you that in a second. Just giving a walk around the car. Kind of dirty. Pay no attention to it. My name's David Brandon Hyde. Right here is the new part that I got in through Sponsor America. It's my muffler. Been waiting on it a few weeks now. If you'll give me a second, I'll get it out for you. Shiny. This right here will not only give me better sound, but an extra 15 horsepower. It's gonna go right here after this other one comes off. It's gonna be hanging out probably like that. I got to wait until I get some money to get it put on, because they're not cheap. It's got a built-in silencer. You can take it in, take this screw right here and this bolt right here, take it out, and be as loud as Fast and Furious. If they say it's too loud, pop it back in and you don't have to go pay for anything. I got my muffler through bodykits.com, and I'll be showing this video on several sites. And I'd like to thank carsponsors.com, bodykits.com, sponsoramerica.com, sponsorbuzz.com, decalkits.com, and a lot more. There's just not enough time to say them all. But y'all keep an eye out, and we'll be looking for my next video. Thank you.